Looking for reverse osmosis system installation and replacement services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know that clean, purified water is essential for your home. Our expert reverse osmosis installation and replacement services ensure you get the highest water quality by effectively removing contaminants and improving taste. Whether you're upgrading your system or installing a new one, we tailor solutions to fit your needs. In Sherwood Park, water quality concerns vary, which is why we offer customized filtration options designed to handle local water conditions. Our experienced team guarantees precision, efficiency, and long-term performance. For trusted reverse osmosis system installation and replacement services in Sherwood Park, choose Kingstree Plumbing. Contact us today to schedule your service.